You made it! No Mai Kia Toy Time! Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to dance? Kite kani kani? It's party time! Let's go!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jojo Ma, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Aya! Tama! Jojo! Buzz! Anika! Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
Oh, you're here! Kia ora, I'm Tama, and I've got a bit of spring in my step.
Tēnā koe, ko Maya ahau.
And I'm Jojo. Today, we are celebrating spring.
Oh, I love spring. The birds are singing.
The flowers are blooming.
And the days are getting longer and warmer. It's the perfect time for spring cleaning.
So, what do you think, Jojo? I've made this bird feeder and filled it with yummy seeds for the birds to eat.
Good idea, Tama. They must be hungry after the long winter. And you've chosen the perfect spot.
Spring is in the air. Hey, Mohio,
Hey, Tama, how can I help?
what is the Māori word for spring?
A Māori word for spring is koanga.
Koanga. Oh, ngā mihi o te koanga ki a koutou.
No mai e te koanga.
Koanga. Spring is in the air. Koanga. There are flowers everywhere. Koanga. It's my favorite time of year. Winter's gone and spring is here. Some say winter is their favorite season. Others say that autumn is the best. Many people seem to love the summer. But to me, spring is better, better than all the rest. Koanga. Spring is in the air. Koanga. There are flowers everywhere. Koanga. It's my favorite time of year. Winter's gone and spring is here. Why do I like spring so much? I'll tell you. Baby lambs and daffodils are great. Honestly, I'd rather skip spring cleaning. But I love how spring brings food from garden to my plate. Koanga. Spring is in the air. Koanga. There are flowers everywhere. Koanga. It's my
Once upon a time, a long time ago, Tamanuitera, the sun, moved across the sky very quickly. It was dark most of the time, which made it difficult for Maui and his whānau to see.
Ow! Just hurt my finger on my fish hook because I can't see.
I wish the days were longer.
Oh, excuse me, Da. Do you think you could slow down a bit so we could have some more daylight?
No, sorry, I'm in a hurry.
It's no use.
But Maui came up with a plan.
I will catch Ra with my magical jawbone and my harakeke ropes. I'll make him slow down and we will have more daylight.
Really, Maui?
Oh, it sounds impossible.
But Maui didn't listen. He knew his plan would work. He hid and waited for Ra to appear in the sky again.
Hadouken!
When Ra appeared, Maui caught him using his jawbone and flax rope.
Maku koe, Awhi.
Marco, hoki Awhi.
Ra was angry and tried to escape.
What are you doing? Let me go, let me go.
Not until you promise to slow down.
But Maui and his whānau were brave and they held on tight. After a long fight, Ra was very tired.
Okay, I'll slow down. I'll slow down.
Promise?
I promise.
From that day on, Ra moved slowly across the sky, and Maui and his whānau had plenty of daylight.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
And they all lived happily ever after.
Help me.
Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at Good Planet, and we're off to pick some strawberries, some raspberries, and some blueberries. Oake tātou. Check out this amazing train. I want to go for a ride in it. What if I ride in this one? No, let's try another carriage. Maybe this carriage. No, still not good enough. I'm gonna drive the train. Come on. Okay, here we go, cuzzies. This is such an amazing place, E Te Whānau. We have strawberries, raspberries, we have blueberries. We're gonna go get them all today, E Te Whānau. Come on. Right, let's stop here. Whoa, this place is amazing. Look how many strawberry plants there are this way. And then look, there's even more this way. I wonder how many strawberries there are. There must be like a million, gazillion, trillion of them all. I wonder how many I can fit in my bucket. Come on. Whoa. Okay, one for the bucket, one for Buzz. Hey, if I eat enough strawberries, maybe I'll become a strawberry. I wonder what that would be like. That was different. That's a big bucket of strawberries. All right, now we're off to get raspberries. You've got to be really, really careful when you pick these raspberries. There's little thorns on them, and they can get stuck in your fingers. Oh, can't let go. And another one. Ah, I think we got enough. Time to get some blueberries. Check out all these blueberry plants, cuzzies. Check that out. Juicy. Pansies, I think we've got enough. Hey, what an amazing time I've had at Good Planet. I can't wait to share all my berries with all my friends. Ka kite anō.
Where, oh, where is our little Oma? Where, oh, where is our little Oma? Where, oh, where is our little Oma? Way down low in the paw, paw patch. Come on, kids, let's go find her. Come on, kids, let's go find her. Come on, kids, let's go find her. Way down low in the paw, paw patch. Picking up paw paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw paws, put 'em in your pocket. Way down low in the paw, paw patch. Where, oh, where is our little Jojo? Where, oh, where is our little Jojo? Where, oh, where is our little Jojo? Way down low in the paw, paw patch. Come on, kids, let's go find her. Come on, kids, let's go find her. Come on, kids, let's go find her. Way down low in the paw, paw patch. Picking up paw paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw paws, put 'em in your pocket. Way down low in the paw, paw patch. Where, oh, where is our little Tama? Where, oh, where is our little Tama? Where, oh, where is our little Tama? Way down low in the paw, paw patch. Come on, kids, let's go find him. Come on, kids, let's go find him. Come on, kids, let's go find him. Way down low in the paw, paw patch. Picking up paw paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw paws, put 'em in your pocket. Way down low in the paw, paw patch.
Namua.
Oma, there you are.
Yay!
And you've eaten my paw paw. I thought Buzz would be here by now. Maybe he's not coming today.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Justin.
Justin who?
Just in time for Takuro time.
It is Buzz the Cuz. Come in.
Sorry I'm late. When I saw what a beautiful spring day it is outside, I decided to blow up some balloons for us to play with outside.
I love balloons. So do Jojo and Tama. I think they're outside in the garden.
Oh, yeah, I know. Well, are you coming or what?
Coming.
You are so strong!
Hey guys, guess what? Buzz has bought balloons for us to play with for Takaro time. Do you want to play?
Let's pop into it. Okay. Karaka for my bro Tama.
Ngā mihi.
Kōwhai for my sis Jojo.
Thanks, Buzz.
Vero for my sis Maya.
Kia ora.
And I'm going to have Waiporoporo. Okay, this is how you play the game. All right, so we're going to tie these balloons around our ankle, okay? And then the game is you've got to try and pop the other people's balloons. Whoever is the last to have their balloon not pop wins. Woohoo! Let's go. I've got the thick gum boots. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, who's ready?
Aye.
Ima, wha, toru, rua, tahi, timata! Myself. Go, Jojo, go, Tama. Jojo, ko koe te toa.
I could play outside with balloons all day, Buzz.
Oh, me too. Except we're running low on balloons. I'll have to blow some more up. See you later, alligators.
See you soon, Blue Balloon.
Kia ora e Juanma. I'm Auntie Anika. Spring is a perfect time of year to do some spring cleaning in your bedroom to get things all nice and fresh and tidy. Okay, start by tidying up your clothes, and if something's doesn't fit anymore, then you can give it to someone else. Let's go. Hey, I've been looking for this all winter. I might have to give this to my little sister. Okay, Okay, now put your toys away too. Let's go. Now, give your room a bit of a dust. Now, to finish it off, I'm going to do a quick vacuum to suck up any dirt. Done. Kara, we're all done and ready for the new season.
Something smells reka, Oma.
That's because it is delicious, Wolfie. OK, Wolfie, you can open your eyes. Ta-da!
Oh, muffins!
Not just any muffin, Wolfie. These are my favourite muffins in the whole world. Would you like one?
Yes, please. Oma, what are these orange bits?
Oh, that's carrot.
Carrot?
Aye, karoti. Isn't it wonderful? I made them using fresh spring carrots from the garden.
Oh.
What's the matter, Wolfie? Don't you like muffins?
Oh, no, I love muffins. I'm just not quite sure about karoti.
Oh, well, I think karoti are sweet and delicious. Yum, 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 yum.
They look delicious
Yeah.
and smell reka. Or maybe I can have a little bit. Oh, you're right, Oma. These carrot muffins are yummy. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, Wolfie. Anytime. Yum, 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 yum.
Karoti muffins.
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Peppy Mako do 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 do. Peppy Mako do 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 do. Peppy Mako do 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 do. Peppy Mako. Peppy Mako do 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 do. Peppy Mako do 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 do. Peppy Mako do 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 do. Peppy Mako. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end. go in the water without adults. We like splashing in the water. The water is warm. We see lots of things at the beach. Candles in the water. Whoa. Okay, I'm not wet. I am, so we can ride off. I saw some seaweed. Ooh. Penelope. I found some seaweed. Oh, I love digging. Okay. I saw some shells. We found rocks. I am throwing rocks in the water. We saw the big rock. Whoa! Bye!
Te tiro ki te manu. Tama, it's eating seeds from your bird feeder.
Oh, it worked! Birds are so cute.
I wish it was spring all year round, so there were always lots of birds and baby animals.
Me too. But it's not spring all year round, is it? Hey, Mōhio.
Yes, Maya, how can I help?
If spring is only one season of the year, what are the other seasons?
After spring, koanga, comes summer, raumati, then autumn, ngahuru, then winter, takurua, then comes spring again. All 4 seasons happen every year.
And that means lots of cute birds and baby animals each year too.
Thanks, Mōhio.
Anytime, e hoa.
Let's go.
Rahina, Rahina, Rahina.
Monday.
Ratu, Ratu, Ratu.
Tuesday.
Rapa, Rapa, Rapa.
Wednesday.
Rapare, Rapare, Rapare.
Thursday.
Ramire,
Friday.
Raworoi, Ratapu.
Sunday.
These are the days of the week until Maori. Rahina, Rahina, Rahina.
Monday.
Ratu, Ratu, Ratu.
Tuesday.
Rapa, Rapa, Rapa.
Wednesday.
Rapare, 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 Rapare.
Thursday.
Ramere,
Friday.
Raboroi, Ratapu.
Sunday.
Hope you enjoyed my days of the week at Te Reo Māori.
Hey, Tama, do you think you can guess what's in the box?
Haha, I'll give it my best shot, Jojo.
I believe in you, Tama.
I believe in me too. Ha! Ooh, it's roundish, squishy, soft, and stringy. Is it a ball of wool?
Yes, good guess. There's something else in there too.
Ooh, okay. Feels like a cloud. Soft and fluffy. Is it more wool?
Right again, Tama.
Oh, so this is wool, and this is wool too?
Well, this is how it looks when it's been shorn off a sheep. Then it goes to a special mill where they process it and spin it into a ball of wool like this.
Oh, it's just like the ones my mum uses for her knitting.
Aye, wool keeps the sheep warm in the winter, then it gets shorn off in the spring and then turned into clothes to keep us warm.
Oh, so we're humans in sheep's clothing?
I guess so. Yeah.
That's funny. Thanks, Hippie Ma.
Yeah. Thanks, sheep.
I'm enjoying around Sophia. I draw around her arms and legs and feet. Let's fill this in. Yeah. We use the stones for eyes and nose. We put leaves for the hair. We use dry leaves for the shirt. We use ferns for the pants. Did I get that? We use giant leaves for the shoes. We use lavender for the smile. Yes! It looks awesome! Bye! Story time!
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is Story Time. Today's story is about Tavita finding something beautiful in the sky after the storm. Nua Nua. Tavita watched dark grey clouds gather and swirl in the sky from his lounge window. Mummy, I think a storm is coming, he called to his mum in the kitchen. Boom, crackle, pop. The grey clouds let out a flash of lightning. Thunder and lightning, Mummy, Tavita said. Tavita, did you know that when a storm comes, it's Tangaloa Langi, the Samoan sky father, letting off steam and crying so the earth gets watered? She smiled. Just wait, after the storm passes, there will be a big surprise. Suddenly, tiny droplets of rain started to fall from the sky. One by one, then two by two, then hundreds of raindrops landed everywhere. Tavita tried to count them all. To his amazement, colours started to appear in the sky. Oh, you found the storm's magical surprise, son. Nua Nua, a rainbow, smiled his mum. Tavita jumped for joy to see the storm's beautiful Nua Nua. Fa soifua. We'll see you next time.
Haerera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soifua e noho rā. Ka kite anō